Karamu noi.
Reke itengere.
No to ni sio de to ka me inere.
Do kondiru nayo.
Fikira ai. Chuma wodi ya lego.
Nyundo mwenyewe. Raila Amolo Odinga.
Raila engineer Raila Amolo Odinga unaondoa hiyo jina kwa nini?
Sorry.
Engineer Raila Amolo Odinga chuma liet.
Mweta etaneli getirwa kia AUC.
Chuma wodi ya lego. Omothe ni umana kara imait kidogo. Tondu ndikyo wega protocol yo no ni wetuonie maumagaria President Museveni babake muhosi.
Indoko dona bisha like an hour ago.
Yes.
Mekura airport mo ekiumagaria president wa kule Uganda.
Yes.
Yoweri Museveni.
Na wasiri wa mabarabara.
Na wasiri Murkomen.
Kipchumba Murkomen.
Museveni yakoretwo guku thiko ithatu.
He's been on a state visit.
Na
tuka ukunota kuriga.
Sio mgeni hapa.
Yarigete.
Regionire bicha magike mumagaria kule airport.
Yes.
Na nema na tulisema hapa siasa wewe. Siasa wewe.
Because
Museveni yokete guku ri.
Yes.
Because ni mugeni wa his host.
Yes.
The president of the Republic of Kenya.
Yes.
Riu ni wakiona riu nake mugeni agikiumagara agicokana kwao anengerwa uamumagarie amunyitire ngui na ndakorire marigo-ini.
Yes. Nero haria kurangara njita riu kurite.
That is communication in itself.
Choka Carolina ine. Yo kora muthuri ro kwa shairo akaumagara kidogo akwira aja
oi
ni ugo kija kangema mundu ngwenda onyimereria i ni kuhina ne njwe ni athethukire no ngupanga nake mwe hakwa onge mukinya ri ogwo karugia ri oya ngari ni ugwo.
No,
that is the analogy now. And of course I can just imagine. You see, it is strategic. Siasa itikoragwo na sito do. Coincidences.
There's even never an accident in politics.
No.
Vitu ni kupangwa hupangwa.
Even accidents in politics occur in planned things. Yes. Imagine. Yes. Nilikuwa nikai lakini unajua kule kwetu you see Muhosi nikimwachia kiti mtu akuzurura. So I like to take command by myself
and piga sherehe.
Yes. Raila, you told me this young man is called who?
You ni waziri
minister
wa barabara
at his age. You give very small people, young people, senior dockets. This one is the Minister of Roads.
Raila Murkomen
is keep what?
Kipchumba.
Is a minister.
Yes.
Not a PS. Hapa tunapewa waziri hata wewe ni kijana barubaru. Sio kuonyesha anaongea anaitwa Moses Kuria. Hata yeye ni waziri. So you are very small. Some small people.
Kenyans, you joke a lot.
You are jokers. The only young people that I allow in the government are my relatives. I should remember. Ajua nakumbuka wakati tulikuja na Mheshimiwa Rais kule kwako. Walisema sisi tutapewa kila mtu ng'ombe. Bado mimi sijapata hiyo ng'ombe. No, it's okay. I have very many cows. In fact, they were dewormed. Yours is actually just across the border. That one just send your people. The one we shall require transport is the one for Ruto. Yes. And yes. President Museveni normally as long as he is comfortable. Ndati kuone nonengo ikaranga.
Acha ndari yaja.
It's okay. Ambia pilot ya Zime is taking fuel. Can you Zima you? Yes, tell him to switch off. Yes,
sina haraka.
Mwambie aweke parking. Yes. What is making a lot of noise for us? What were you saying? So I was just reminding you. So you are aware that I am gunning for the continental title. Remember, I'm not the candidate for the African Union Commission. So I remember. Now, what I want you to do, because I have been around long enough, just get me the name of the returning officer. Then we can deal with it from there. The returning officer, that's where you start. You should make sure the returning officer is on your side. Yes.
Narauga nginya Uganda. District ananemire dirari kanora rameta ya Uganda.
It's a rumor or it's a what?
Amuro or something.
Yes.
Narauga kunu kule Malaysia ira.
Yes. You go get the kango kajara mogi. Sure, I even know your father. Yes.
And your origin.
You see, if you take that position, it's like our family. If we look for it, we will see that we are family. So if you become African Union Commission chairman, we have won. We never know the other ones. I hear kuna majirani wetu, they are saying they also give candidates. We shall actually stop their shipments. No, landlocked countries cannot compete with our positions.
At Uganda ni bedroom, Kenya ni table room.
Yes.
We thought to get an advantage ya ukoro tu ina poti.
Yes.
O me bedroom ule. Ni moragi ya me bedroom kana moke.
Yes. No, gemodi kireria ri. Mafuri mama ge bathurigiceirie ri. Ni arama ukite ni aronia tari kumbi. Should let me ask you, which other countries are presenting candidates for AUC? Those ones, they will go nowhere. They don't even have money for campaign.
Ni kusimama tu.
You see, sitaki watu wengi. I just get Ramaphosa and Ruto. That's all. If I get those ones, and this new person of Senegal, what is his name? That young man. So that we can bring the youthful look. and another thing, when we actually campaign to become the AUC chairman, you are supposed to actually rally so that Uganda can become the headquarters of the AU. Aya, sasa mimi naona nakuchelewesha kidogo. No. I never get late. My arrival is the beginning of that event. Or if you are not in a hurry, you can just get into my jet to be fly. They will bring you back wherever you want to be dropped. Someone is conspicuously missing. Who are you talking about, Your Excellency, President Museveni? When is Baba Gachagua? Asikia alikuwa mahali chini kai relax. Kaambiwa achunge kiti sababu kuna wengine wako Limuru. Sasa kaambiwa kama wao Limuru wakipiga nyef na yeye angalie kiti. So even last time you came, you did not come with him. You see, I have been around for a long time, Raila.
I know these things.
I know these things because I've dealt with Obote soldiers, Idi Amin. I've seen all of those. You have his number. I can call him. I tell him I have just left. No, he says I will convey the message. Hapana sumbua mzee tabia yeye. Nitamwambia ulikuja na ukaenda. I did not see him at State House. He does not live there. Yeye kwake ni Karen.
How far is Karen from State House?
It's very far.
I know Nairobi.
It's far. We changed when we did the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission.
Museveni anaikara guku.
Yes.
Nio matura.
Yeah. You see, you can't tell me Karen in the State House. For a leader of this caliber, it's more than 10 minutes. Alisema alikuwa na kiungulia. Sasa tukasema kunuku kusumbua mzee. Yeye kuna kiungulia. Let me then call Ruto and ask him about it. No, hapana. Si rais amenituma. Sasa unaribu.
Unaribu?
Unaribu. Sasa wewe tuachia na ile mimi naambia wewe. So you are saying this Murukumela has been sent by Gachagua? We have been sent by the same person. It's very complicated.
Ni dhake na nada kamera 5.